Welcome. All right, today I'm going to give you a quick 25 minute recipe for a quick, authentic Jamaican pepper shrimp, right? Simple ingredients, quick meal, finger licking good. And at the end, I think I might add, not a challenge, but show you a few people enjoying the shrimp and you catch the reaction. All right, so I'm gonna give you a cut to my ingredients, show you my prep, and then we'll get into cooking. All right, catch you in a sec. All right, so for the pepper sauce, right, real simple. All right, most most Jamaicans use just habanero peppers, right? They add nothing else to this water than the peppers, right? But for me, I had my habanero, which Jamaican Scotch bonnet, right? Little red chili, add a little scallion, small piece of garlic, and a small piece of onion. To this, I'll just puree, and you want to get it almost liquefied, because this is going to be on your shrimp at the end, so you'll be consuming all this. So get it purified. All right, check your consistency. All right, and you notice, you see the little chunks on the inside? Yeah. All right. One more time. All right. Now we're good. All right. Welcome back. All right. So now on the outside, because doing this pepper shrimp, you want to try and do it on the outside because it gets very toxic, right, on the inside. Pepper is so hot, takes away all the oxygen, so you'll be coughing, choking, etc. So I'm gonna prime my gas cylinder. Give me a little problems to start. All right, open them up some more. Open them up fully. Make sure it's good. All right. See that my pot is empty, it's gonna get hot real quick. Alright, so that I'll add just a stick of butter. Sizzling down. And to this, I add my mix. Alright, here we go. So that gets very toxic real quick. Right. There we go. Yep. Once the fumes start coming off, sometimes you can't breathe. Right. So be very careful with the pepper. Make sure you do it outside if you can. All right. Sorry. Yeah, my camera person. Yeah, be careful because it gets real pungent real quick. All right, so now we have it. That's quick boil. I'm gonna add my shrimp. And as you notice, they're kept whole. Right? And the dish is about 20-25 minutes in length. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. You don't want to undercook them, but you want to get that right consistency, that right texture. So after adding my shrimp, I'll give a quick stir, because right away the color of the shrimp starts changing. And once your shrimp is done, you'll have that nice golden pink or red color. And And if you want a real red shrimp, you'll use a lot of red peppers. So to this, you're gonna add some salt, whether sea salt or your regular salt. And it's not too much, but because it's a pepper shrimp, you wanna add just enough for that salt to cut a little bit of the pepper, but also to bring the flavor up. So we turn in about 2 minutes. I'll cover this, leave it to cook, boil, absorb all that flavor, and then you'll see the finished product, and you'll also see how it's consumed. Alright? So I'll catch you in a minute when we're done. Alright, there we have that color we're looking for. So you know we're almost done. You notice we still have all that liquid in the bottom. Alright. Good. So another 2 minutes or so covered, and it's good. So like I said, 20-minute meal. Real nice, real simple, but very peppery. So make sure you have your drink ready. Nice cold beer, nice Red Stripe. Oh, by the way, not sponsored by Red Stripe, but always enjoy a nice Jamaican Red Stripe beer with the pepper shrimp. All right, so here we go. So now we have our finished product. All right. All good. So cooked, still soft and tender. You want to maintain that consistency in the shrimp, the meat, so you don't want to overcook. All right. Still have some sauce that's over it. And that's all that Scotch bonnet. Here I have a little corn on the side. All right. So that's a quick recipe. Friday evening, Saturday evening, you know, or whenever you feel like. Some pepper shrimp, 20 minutes, simple, good. Remember, hot, disclaimer, extra hot, all right, Jamaican Scotch bonnet. But don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and stay tuned, you know. Oh, yeah, you know as always, my little bell, just ring it to get anything that's uploaded in the future, all right, so you stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And that's the sound of the pepper. Mm-hmm. So that's how you do it, and you don't put too much pepper, so it's unbearable. But it's a good meal.